So what is price.com app? So if you just go to the web address price.com, you can see this website. Price.com scores you the lowest price when you shop, save on new, used, and refurbished items. Cashback in your pocket. With the price.com, your money comes back like a magical boomerang of financial excellence. So yeah, this is one of the apps where you can find coupons and cashback, and you have all the favorite brands here. So yeah, that's basically what it is. You can use it as a website, but also it's available as an app. So you can just try here, and then yeah, it's available as iOS app. So yeah, you will be able to install it. And this is the price.com app. Is 74 megabytes. A free way to save is cashback, coupons, comparison, shopping price history, and price alerts. It's a must-have price comparison app as well. So yeah, for example, if you want to buy some item, you want to buy TV, for example, or something like that, and then you just can enter this specific TV model like Samsung QLED TV, whatever, and then you will see all the offers and all the prices across US, I guess, and then yeah, you can find the cheapest options. So this is interesting app to do some research before shopping, especially on the more expensive items where you can get like $20, $30 cash back somewhere, where if you're buying on hundreds of dollars or thousands, then it can be quite handy to use this kind of app.